Hello everybody again. I'm out in the wilderness, as you can see. I'm in a beautiful area of Ennis where there's lots of forest, lots of natural wild animals, birds, squirrels. People come here from everywhere to have nice picnics. You can have a nice picnic there. There is a nice clean river there. People come here at weekends to spend quality time with their family and get nice, clean, fresh air. If you want to come and see it, pop into Ediney and come and see it. See what you are missing. See you. Bye-bye.